In this video, we show you around the Homewood Suites by Hilton at Flamingo Crossings. In terms of proximity to amenities, this hotel is located 5 minutes walking distance from a Target and several places to eat if required. Onto the rooms, and we stayed in this great little suite. In through the main door to the suite, and you're into a small but perfectly equipped kitchenette, directly attached to the living space. Back to the kitchen, and it comes equipped with microwave, hob, sink, dishwasher, coffee maker, sockets, crockery for four, utensils and cutlery. An ice bucket and combined fridge-freezer is also provided, with table and chairs. Into the living space, and this houses a sofa which turns into a bed for two, armchair, small coffee table and TV. Through the door to the left is the master bedroom. This comes with bed, TV, desk and chair, separate sink area, built-in wardrobe to house mainly hangable clothes, and of course to push your suitcases out of the way. A 180-degree turn from the mirror sees a door into the bath and shower room. Complimentary shampoo, shower gel and conditioner are all provided. The room was well presented throughout our stay. It didn't look dated, towels were refreshed often, and it felt like we'd made a good choice. There was some drawer space for clothes, and for 2 adults and 2 children, this room was perfect. This was the welcome sheet that we were given on arrival, which talks about amenities and services. Feel free to pause the video for a closer look. Edited highlights: parking was $20 a day, housekeeping was every other day, free tea and coffee facilities were downstairs in the reception almost constantly, and Wi-Fi was free and pretty good overall. Breakfast was included each morning and open from 6 AM, 7 AM on weekends. The seated area holds 290, and we found that some days it was busy, other days it wasn't. Some days it was busy at 7:30, other days it was busy at 8:45. There didn't seem to be any pattern to this. Clearly the big draw here is the Mickey waffles, which you made yourself, and there was plenty of machines. There was yogurts, cereal, sausages, toast, muffins, potatoes, bacon, fruit, a good selection for breakfast that was included in the cost. Onto the pool, and this seemed very popular. The water was warm, the slide was used frequently, and complimentary towels were provided down at the poolside. A gym was also on site, free of charge, and it had a good selection of machines and fitness activities. Inside the gym, to one side, was a 24-hour guest laundry room, housing several washers and tumble dryers. If you didn't have any coins, then these were required from the front desk. All in all, we were really impressed with Homewood Suites. A very quiet location, but only 10 to 15 minutes from Disney. Good facilities, plenty of parking, and an acceptable breakfast. If you found this video useful and you'd like to see more travel tips, tricks and reviews, why not give it a like and subscribe to the channel.